In here, I have a third cup of sesame seeds, half a cup of sunflower seeds, half a cup of raw pumpkin seeds, pepitas, and half a cup of flax seeds. I also added 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. If you would like, you could put the bigger seeds in a food processor and pulse them, cut them up a little bit. I like to feel the whole seed when I'm biting into this. So I'm going to use a third cup of psyllium husk for this. I want the fiber and I want the carbs to be lower. But if you can't find it or you don't want to buy it, you can use corn starch or corn flour for this recipe as well. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add 3.5 tablespoons of oil. Use any oil you want, guys. I am using olive oil. And I'm going to add 3/4 cups of boiling water. This is really hot. We're going to let this rest for 30 minutes before we put it in the oven. We're now going to press our seed bread into a parchment paper lined pan. If you made this with corn flour or cornstarch, it's going to be a little softer, guys, okay? This works great. We want to press this so that it is all the same thickness, but try and do it as thin as you can. Now, I am going to wet my hands a little bit to help me press this, okay? So just wet the hand, don't get water on this. The reason that we waited for 30 minutes before we did this is because it allowed the psyllium husk and the chia seeds to bind it. I'm now going to sprinkle some sea salt on here. Don't go too crazy with the salt. This is going to go in a preheated oven at 275 Fahrenheit, 135 centigrade for 2 hours, guys. Every 30 minutes, I am going to turn the pan around, okay? We want it to dry up nicely. We're going to let it cool down completely, then we can tear it up and enjoy it. Now, all we do is cut it into pieces. This is great for eating instead of bread. Use it as a cracker. You know, use it to put spread on it, cheese, butter, whatever you want. Thank you for watching the video. I'm going to see you soon.